What up YouTube, Patrick here, and is Bitconnect a scam? Is it a Ponzi scheme? So first off, what is a Ponzi scheme? Well, so if we look here, a Ponzi scheme is a fraudulent investing scam promising high rates of return with little risk to investors. What's a high rate of return? Well, if we look at S&P 500, the 10-year average is what? 9.8, or the 20-year average is 10% a year, basically. Somewhere between 7 and 10% per year. Of course, this is a little bit different in the crypto space because we're seeing crazy amounts of returns in crypto. I mean, over the lifetime of Bitcoin, it's probably thousands of percent, right? Same with a lot of other coins. But with other cryptocurrencies, their goal is not to make money. Their goal is not to be an investment. The goal is to be digital cash in most cases. You're transferring value from one person to another directly with no intermediary. Bitcoin has no central authority. It doesn't explicitly pay returns to investors, and it doesn't require new people to sustain it. If most people leave Bitcoin, but still there's two people in it that want to transfer money back and forth, it still works. Yes, the value of the coins themselves is lower, but that's normal supply and demand for a product, for a service, for utility. So that's why I don't think cryptocurrency as a whole is a Ponzi scheme, but Bitconnect might be leaning that other way because the goal of Bitconnect seems to be making money. That's what it seems to be there for. It's not about sending money back and forth or any other utility usefulness. How do Ponzi schemes make money? Well, the number one way is by recruiting other people. The creators say, hey, join this program, give us your money or whatever, and you make your money back. But to do that, the people that join then have to recruit more people to make their money back. Those people recruit more people, recruit more people. All that money is getting funneled up the chain to the different people, mostly to the people at the top. Hence the pyramid scheme. That's where the term pyramid scheme comes from. Eventually, though, there's not enough money to go around and the system collapses. What does that actually mean? Well, so look at this article from Steemit right here. Since Bitconnect is promoting about 1% per day, if you invest 10K in Bitconnect, in 1 year, you're looking at $330,000. Okay, pretty good. Now, what if we take this all the way to 6 years? We're looking at $14 trillion for one person investing 10K, one person. So what if you have 1,000 people doing this on this scale? And pretty much that's what we have right now. If you look right here, available supply, this is 8 million Bitconnect coins at 200 each. So that's a lot of money invested into Bitcoin or into Bitconnect right now. That's not sustainable long term, especially when you're looking at these numbers. That the math doesn't work out. That's what can trigger a collapse. The tricky thing though is that Ponzi schemes do make money, especially for early adopters. If you're in at the beginning and you've invested your money, you're probably going to make bank if you actually get people into your scheme. Until it doesn't, until the system collapses, until there's a panic, people trying to pull their money out, and everyone starts trying to pull their money out, and then it's no longer sustainable. They're not bringing in enough new people, enough new money to pay out all the people. The other way it works is sometimes the creators just completely disappear, and you don't hear from them. So all the people with their money locked away waiting for investment, they lose it. It's gone. There's some where this also gets a little confusing for some people is there's gray areas with multi-level marketing, which are technically legal because you're selling a product or a service, but really the main way you make money in multi-level marketing schemes, MLM schemes, is by recruiting other people. That's where the money is. That's how you make the big bucks. So what is Bitconnect? Well, we take a look at their website. And it's a little confusing, honestly. It says, a self-regulated financial system. It's a platform for Bitcoin and crypto community. But really, they have this graph here. Let's see if I can find it. Which tab? Okay, this is the meat of the system. This is what we're interested in. So you deposit your Bitcoin. You get Bitconnect coin, their own coin, on their exchange. So they're making money off of transaction fees. Then you lend that Bitconnect coin, and you get that money back. You lock it in for whatever, what's the term here? 300 days, 239 days, 120 days if you drop in some big money, and you get your money back. What they claim is that they have a trading bot that trades on the volatility of Bitcoin. So if it goes up, if it goes down, they short. If it goes down, make money. If it goes up, they're buying and selling to make money, and then they're saying they give you some profit. So if that's true, then maybe yes, this is not a Ponzi scheme. Maybe it's completely legit. So now, where's their white paper? Where's the technical details? Where's the proof that this is actually happening? We don't know. It looks like the way they're making their money and paying people out is primarily by referrals, by bringing people in who deposit Bitcoin and then lock it in with Bitconnect to make the returns. And it looks like they're using that money to pay out the earlier people and the people higher up in the pyramid. Of course, people will say, well, they're not going to share their trading algorithm. That's proprietary. That's how they make their money. True, but there's not even evidence of it. They don't show, oh, here's money coming in, or money going in, money coming out in Bitcoin. Where there's nothing here. If someone has it, link me. I will gladly change my opinion. All in all, I see a lot of red flags here. There's also no people involved. There's no who's behind it. Normally with a cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, whatever, there's a development team, there's a foundation that's managing it, all this stuff. You can look at people and see what they're doing. The other red flag is that the money is locked away. Like in a lot of Ponzi schemes, you give your money for 6 months, you give your money a year. The problem with having your money locked away is that if something goes wrong, you can't get your money out. So if the people disappear or if something happens to the system that causes the collapse, the people all at the bottom of the pyramid who have their money locked away, they lose it all because it's gone. It's gone with the people at the top of the pyramid, the creators, they just disappear and run with it. Is that what's happening here? I don't know. Maybe it is legit, but these are all little red flags. So here you see some other Ponzi scheme red flags. Investment strategies that are secret or described as too complex. These are all red flags. So maybe this is legit, but there's a bunch of things pointing here that are a little suspicious, and it adds up. So the other thing is, in the US, Ponzi schemes are illegal, and promoting Ponzi schemes are illegal. So yeah, some people are dumping a little bit of money in here and trying it out to see if it works, and then like, oh, it works, I'm getting my money back, let me recruit other people. If this thing blows up, those people recruiting and promoting are going to get caught and they're going to get hit hard. All in all, there's too many red flags for me here. If there really is a trading bot and they're trading on Bitcoin's volatility and making money, which is possible, then I would be more okay with this. But the fact that there's no evidence that it's happening scares me. I don't know. If y'all have it, send it my way. Finally, there's also this really interesting Reddit post by Yama Gemazaki and Jamhei that seems to link Ponzi scheme promoters with Bitconnect. So you see here, February 2016, way back, this guy Rolando Anoza pushes another cryptocurrency Zhuang, which is now dead, I believe, that was called out as being a Ponzi scheme. Then, if you look at the very first post on Bitconnect's Google Plus profile, you'll see it was organized by Rolando Anoza, same guy. And basically, yeah, this whole thing, these are known Ponzi scheme promoters, people in it to make money. They're creating cryptocurrencies or whatever to make money. That seems to be linked to Bitconnect. The first post on Bitconnect's Google Plus, some blog posts here, and all this seems suspicious. I'll put a link to this in the description, so if you want to look into it yourself, you got all the details here. But all these different things together make this seem like a really bad idea. I have a feeling it's going to disappear and blow up. We're going to see some nasty fallout, but who knows? If you guys have other opinions, other information, let me know. I'm always interested, always willing to learn. Anyways, that's all I got for you. So as always, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know. Peace.